use TIA Portal shortcuts as well. Go to settings, options and settings, and here are the shortcuts. So try to go through these shortcuts. Like I'm using Alt plus Enter to open properties most of the time. This is quite common. Open editor, Alt control left and right, create. So these are quite interesting, you know. Try to go through that, use less mouse and more keyboard. So the best thing about TIA Portal is if you go to the instruction, you can see each instruction details in this help menu. And not only that, if you look closely over here, it has almost everything. It's like a complete book, you can say, a complete manual. I have shared a PLC manual as well, but it has almost everything over here. For example, if I go to TIA Portal, or yeah, programming the PLC, that would show a good example. Like you can see, creating ladder, FPD, STL, almost every language is covered over here. Working networks, rungs, and there are even some projects or some simple examples as well that you can use over here. So it's quite good. You don't have to jump here and there and Google everything. So most of the things would be available here as well, and you can use further S7 manual. So as you can see, there are basic instructions in all languages, timers, counters. If I go to timers, each instruction is over here, and like that, bingo, and it shows an example as well.